Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 10 of the lecture, we will again go through the checkbox in Android with example 2, okay, in which we will have to select our favorite stuff, okay, with price. For example, suppose we have the pizza of rupees 100, coffee of rupees 50 and burger is of rupees 120. Suppose we select pizza and coffee, okay, then our total price will be 150. Okay, for example, again we choose the pizza and burger, then the price should be 220. Okay, likewise whatever items we are selecting, the price is going to be displayed accordingly. Okay, now open your Android Studio, go to file, new project, empty activity. Next, here my menu, items, you can give your own name. Okay, API level 50, language Java, finish. Our project is now loading. We will take 3 check boxes. Okay, checkbox 1 for pizza 100 rupees, coffee, second checkbox for coffee 50 rupees, and burger, okay, third checkbox for burger 120 rupees. Okay, we will delete this default text view. Okay, so go to buttons, okay, palette, buttons, checkbox, drop it. Okay, we will set the coordinates for this. And here pizza and the price is, for example, 100. Okay, then second checkbox, we will set the coordinates for this also, and the text will be coffee. Okay, rupees 50. We will take one more checkbox, drag and drop it. Okay, we call this burger rupees 120, and we will take a button, and we will call it as a total. So whatever total is there, we are going to display in a toast. Okay, so let us have the our emulator is ready now. Let us run this. In this example, we have to show which item we have selected and the total price. Okay, suppose I select pizza and coffee. If I click on total, then pizza is selected, coffee is selected, and total amount will be 150. Likewise we have to display. Okay, so for checkbox ID is checkbox, for second it is coffee, for it is checkbox 2, and for burger it is checkbox 3, and for button the ID is button. Okay, so we will create the object of all these. Button B, then checkbox pizza, coffee and burger. Pizza, coffee and burger. Burger. Alter enter to import the classes. So map this B equal to button, find view by ID, r dot id dot button. Okay, then pizza P equal to button, find view by ID, r dot id dot checkbox pizza. Then coffee C equal to but sorry, not here button, here should be checkbox. Okay. Coffee checkbox, find view by ID, r dot id dot now checkbox 2. And for burger checkbox, find view by ID, r dot id dot checkbox 3. Okay, now we will add a on click listener to button. B dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, so this is what the overridden method in which we are writing our logic. Okay, so here we will define a integer variable total amount. Initially it will be 0. Okay, then string builder SB equal to new string builder. We are creating the object of string builder, and initially we will add SB dot append. We will add the text selected items. Okay, then we will check if the pizza button is selected or not. If P is checked, if pizza button is selected, then what we have to do? Okay, so we will very first append SB dot append, okay, /n pizza, okay, rupees 100, and we have to modify the total amount. So total amount equal to total amount plus 100. So this is what we have to do. Total amount equal to total amount plus 100, or you can write like this one, plus okay. So this is what if the pizza is selected. Now if coffee is selected, okay, C dot is checked, then we have to repeat the steps. SB dot append /n coffee rupees 50. and then SB dot, then total amount, okay, plus equal to coffee is of rupees 50. Okay, then again for burger, BR, okay, BR dot, if BR dot is checked, then SB dot append in bracket slash n burger rupees 120, then total amount plus equal to 120. We are adding 120 to total amount. Okay, so this is what the logic. Now we will again add to SB dot append, final result we will add to SB in double quotation slash n total, we can say final total plus here total amount, okay, and we will add rupees at the last. Okay, so now this is what we are going to print in a toast. Okay, so we will display the message toast. We will import this, import toast t equal to make toast dot make toast get application context. The message is what? SB dot to string. We will convert it into string, and then length, toast dot length long, and at last we have to show t dot show. So this is what the logic. Now let us run this. Okay, if I select pizza only, then selected items pizza rupees 100, okay, and final amount is 100. If I select pizza and coffee, then there will be pizza of 100, coffee 50, and total amount will be 150. You can see final total. Selected items pizza, coffee, final is 150. If I selected all, then pizza 100, coffee, total 270. Suppose I only select this coffee and burger, then total will be 170. You can see here. So this is what the example of checkbox. Items are selected with final amount. Okay, only burger, then this is. So this is about the checkbox example. Okay, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.